Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to share a video in Vimeo. First, open your web browser and go to vimeo.com, then log into your Vimeo account. Once you're logged in, select the video you want to share. You can select from your recent videos, or you can go to the library and select a video from there. Now, click on the three dots under the video you want to share. You have two options to share a video. You can click on share, and here set the privacy, your link privacy. You can make your link public, private, hide it from Vimeo, password protected, or unlisted. And then click copy link to copy the link to your video. Or you can click on embed to copy the embed code of your video and embed it in your website. The second option is to click on the video you want to share and then click on share and follow the same steps. You can also click on publish and select publish from the drop-down menu. And here you can connect your Vimeo account to your Facebook account, YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Shopify, or TikTok if you want to share your video in one of these platforms. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.